Aloha, everyone. I hope everyone has enjoyed their weekend. As we start Monday off, we'll go ahead and look at the NASDAQ first. Obviously, as we all know, we're blasting off to new highs on well above average volume. That's excellent. That's what you want to see. And as you can see here lately on a weekly, we've been moving ahead on above average weekly volume over the past 50 days. We haven't seen that a whole lot in the uptrend, so that's always good to see. And on the New York Stock Exchange, you can see that the volume bars are starting to tick above the yellow line on a weekly average. But even though it was options expiration on Friday, still the volume, it was what it was as we hit new highs. So there's nothing to do. All indexes are under a buy signal. I still have a neutral signal for the Dow Jones Industrial Average, but right now all is well. Only one sell for Monday, for today. ICPT is a 25% sell, just because it's closing above below 55.66 is below the low of 57.31 in the base, so that's why 25% sell. Heavier volume close below the 50-day moving average will probably warrant a full sell on this position, more than likely. Tons of buy signals though. We have an add signal in LGF, 2% in both accounts, coming right off 50-day moving average strong volume. SAIA, I'm going to go ahead and add another 2% to this position since it followed through and worked so well on after Thursday's signal. And even though Friday is more options expiration, I just believe that the chart pattern shows a lot of accumulation, and the earnings per share and sales justify this weekly chart breakout. So I want to go ahead and accumulate a little bit more SAIA. That's 2% in both accounts. And then SNTS is taking out the 50-day moving average on strong volume. Beautiful biotech stock. That's going to be 2% in both accounts. MG is producing a very heavy volume move above the recent, so after the not buyable gap up, excuse me, but after the gap up on heavy volume with strong BOP, we slowly tick up to max green, stay max green with low volume, and now we're breaking out above the highs of the past 1, 2, 3, 4 sessions, closing in the upper end 1888 near the high day 1893. So overall, just a really nice chart. Looks like we got some extremely strong accumulation by looking at the move off the July and August lows. And then also VSAT, another can slimmer, going to be 2% in both accounts. Second pocket pivot point buy signal in 2 days off the 50-day moving average. And QUAD, one of the better looking longs, coming right off the 50-day moving average on strong volume. BOP, nice surge. Because it's right at the 50-day and we don't risk too much, it's worthy of a long. 2% in the risk account only, just like MG, SNTS, and VSAT, along with LGF and SAIA in all accounts. I'm going to go and wrap it up here. I'm short for time, everyone. Have a wonderful and profitable upcoming week. Aloha.